Former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku has donated 100 million naira to the Borno state government to aid flood victims affected by the recent disaster. This donation was made during his visit to Governor Babagana Zulum, where Atiku described the flood as a monumental event unprecedented in the state's history. He assured the governor of his commitment to partnering with the state in its rebuilding efforts to help Borno recover from the devastation. Governor Zulum expressed gratitude for Atiku's support and his visit to console the people of Borno.
The government and the good people of Borno State, this is a monumental disaster that has not been witnessed before in the history of this state. Therefore, we want to let you know that you are not alone in this sad event, which led to the loss of thousands of lives, and to offer our deepest condolences to the repose of those who have died.
On behalf of the government and good people of Borno State, I want to convey my deep appreciation to you for sympathizing with us over the recent flood disaster that has completely disrupted the socio-economic activities in our state. The disruption has gone beyond that of socio-economic activities, but it has affected lives of many people in the state. However, as Muslims, we shall remain faithful